Zocdoc Telehealth Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward and honest review of Zocdoc Telehealth, breaking down everything you need to know before using it. Zocdoc is a platform designed to make finding and booking medical appointments easier by connecting patients with doctors online, allowing you to see a healthcare provider without leaving your home. Telehealth is especially beneficial for those with busy schedules, mobility issues, or those living in remote areas where access to healthcare might be limited. One of the key features of Zocdoc Telehealth is its user-friendly interface. The platform allows you to quickly search for doctors by specialty, location, and availability. You can also filter results based on insurance, which is a huge plus for those looking to avoid out-of-network charges. Once you've found a doctor, you can book an appointment with just a few clicks. The app or website will send you a confirmation and reminders, so you won't miss your consultation. During the telehealth appointment, the video quality is generally reliable, with minimal lag or disruptions, making it easy to communicate with your doctor. Zocdoc also allows for file sharing, so you can send your medical history, lab results, or other important documents directly to your doctor during the session. This feature enhances the quality of care you receive because your provider has all the necessary information at their fingertips. However, there are some drawbacks to be aware of. Not all doctors are available for telehealth appointments, so you might not have as many options as you would for in-person visits. Additionally, while Zocdoc is great for routine checkups or consultations, it's not ideal for emergencies or situations requiring physical exams, where in-person visits are irreplaceable. In summary, Zocdoc Telehealth is a powerful tool for convenient healthcare access, particularly for those who need routine consultations or follow-ups. It's user-friendly, efficient, and generally reliable, but it does have limitations regarding the availability of doctors and suitability for more serious medical issues. Before using Zocdoc Telehealth, consider your specific healthcare needs and whether telehealth is the best fit for you. If convenience and simplicity are your priorities, Zocdoc Telehealth is definitely worth considering.